Nyabohanze, my friend. Yes. Jungle leave it.
Yeah.
Day. I said
nice to meet you.
Karibu. Mama Gift is the most successful woman YouTuber in Kenya.
Oh my God.
The fastest. Oh, hi guys. Who are you? My name is George. Flashskater. I also a content creator. Flashskater. Yes, I'm coming to Nyabohanze until I have clearance to be in Nairobi.
You are going?
I will go, yes.
Tell the people in Nyabohanze to wait for you.
Guys, please, nyama sana. Sipendi sana. Nyama sana. But I'm coming, guys. I'm so happy to meet you guys. Hi. Okay. Yay. So, guys, I'm so happy. What do you want?
Oh,
she wants this. Oh, this one. Yeah. Very heavy. Steve. You didn't know this is Steve Day one.
All the celebrities are in Nairobi.
Steve, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm sorry, I can't recognize.
That's my wife.
Oh,
yeah.
the same as that. Then, guys, I'm so proud.
Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Let's give you a shout out.
Okay, guys.
So famous.
I'm here with mamagifts. They gave you the name mamagifts. And I'm so privileged to meet you guys.
Yes.
What do you think of Kenya?
We're so excited, man. Nairobi is awesome. Kenya is phenomenal.
Okay.
You know, the people, they're just exciting to be around. And I'm so happy to have run into you.
Thank you so much.
You know, wherever you are, if you're a YouTuber,
yes,
please check out our brother's channel.
Flashskaters.
Yes, Flashskaters.
Yeah.
You know, check out his channel. Give him some shout. Give him some love. Give him the Team Marwa love.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Support him and wherever he's going.
Yes, and I want to appreciate you for what you did to the people.
Oh, thank
and
you.
also for the installing the camera and everything. All of you guys. These guys for the duvets.
Yes.
Leave it.
What else? It was carpets,
Everything.
Towels, T-shirts.
He makes our life. Yeah, the T-shirts. Yeah, today I'm in the gear, man. Thank you, bro.
This is the guy who ensures I'm so happy. Mama Gift. Do you want to adopt a big bouncing baby boy? I have a passport.
Yeah, you have a passport. So did you run?
Yes, I participated on the...
What is happening here? You want something?
I have a passport. Do you want to adopt a big bouncing baby boy? I have a passport. I have my camera.
Yeah.
Sorry?
Can you fit in the bag?
No, not really. I know my way around. I can talk to the immigration guy. I'm very serious. I would love to explore Kenya. But I'm so happy to meet you guys.
Yes,
it's a dream come
we're happy to meet you too.
Okay, yes.
Recognizing us.
Yes, I do skating.
Yeah.
If you find time, you can pass by the skating. You know the skating part?
Yeah.
And we happen to meet
mine there.
one YouTuber. You want to feel it? It's very heavy.
Make sure she doesn't drop it. Kindly. Yeah, it's heavy. She's wondering what's this.
This is a 360 camera. I used to shoot a vlogging video. So today there was a cycling race here.
Okay.
Yes, and Imeisha. So if you go in, there's an exhibition for bikers and everything to do with bikes, helmets.
Okay.
Yes, it's free. You can go and check it out.
Yeah.
And make sure you go on top.
That's
Have you
where
been
we go.
there?
That's why they're taking us.
Oh man, you're going to have amazing views.
Yeah, they're taking us there.
Amazing views. I will let you be, guys.
Okay.
Yes, have
Nice
fun.
to meet you.
Enjoy Kenya.
Do you record in there?
So yes, you can. As long as you have your phone, it's free.
Okay.
But if you have big cameras, that's what they're going to charge you. Bro, yes.
Hii stuff ina function gaje?
360. It's invisible. Once you may record, the camera disappears. So it's like you have a drone following you. So I got this because I'm skating a lot. So when I shoot when I'm skating, it's easier to get a full body.
Oh. Then unatoa card unaingiza hapa.
No, you can edit via your phone or the computer. It has an app. It's called a 360 1x3.
Which kwa namba yangu
That's cool.
That's really nice. It's so dope. You get an invisible. Hey man, I'm so happy to meet you guys. So when are you guys going? I'm just
Tonight.
Yeah.
Don't worry. There's always first time for everything.
Yeah.
We will meet,
We'll
inshallah.
meet. Sure.
Okay, you guys go have fun. Enjoy Kenya.
right.
You have umbrellas? Because it's raining like crazy.
No, we'll just hide under. We're going to hide under the
There's
trees.
no more rain.
There's no more rain today.
Tonight, yes. Not today.
You know I've been in Kenya for long.
I know.
We're going to fly out.
This guy knows it. Okay.
Going to fly out.
Maybe he's a
Looking at the blue sky.
Yes.
It might rain, but later in the day.
Later. Tonight.
Okay guys, have fun. Enjoy Kenya and I will do that in a few. What's your name, baby girl?
Say Amal.
Amal. Aina shida. 360 years. Haina shida.
Okay,
We'll
Aman peana hii.
okay guys, bye. Let me show you like this. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Guys, I just met the famous Mama Gift and Baba Gift. They come from Nyabohanze like 2 days ago. Hata uelewi. Wanatoka US wote. So guys, subscribe. Wacha ni nyamaza, acha